Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best table saws. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Table saws are essential tools for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering precision, power, and versatility for a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're building furniture, crafting cabinetry, or working on a home improvement project, a table saw can be the cornerstone of your workshop. Designed to make clean, accurate cuts through various types of wood and other materials, these machines are invaluable for creating straight edges, bevel cuts, and even intricate joinery. With the right table saw, you can enhance your craftsmanship, boost productivity, and tackle projects with confidence and ease. Number 5. CBWJ 480 Table Saws. The CBWJ 480 table saw is a robust and reliable woodworking tool that stands out for its performance and precision. Originating from mainland China, this table saw is designed to meet the needs of both professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists. With C certification, the WJ480 adheres to European safety standards, ensuring a safe and efficient operation. One of the highlights of this model is its horizontal style, which offers excellent stability and control during cutting. The table panel saw design allows for smooth and accurate cuts, making it ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks, from ripping large sheets of plywood to cutting intricate pieces with precision. The WJ480 is equipped with a powerful motor that ensures consistent performance, even when dealing with dense materials. The build quality is impressive, with sturdy components that promise durability and longevity. Users will appreciate the ease of adjustments, allowing for quick changes in blade height and angle to accommodate different cutting requirements. Number 4. Hengfa F45C Table Saws. The Hengfa F45C table saw is a robust and reliable machine designed for precision woodworking. Originating from mainland China and C certified, this table panel saw is equipped with impressive features that cater to both professional woodworkers and serious enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the F45C is its large sliding table, measuring 3,375 mm. This ample workspace allows for handling large panels with ease, making it ideal for various woodworking projects. The saw blade diameter ranges from 250 mm to 300 mm, providing versatility in cutting different types of wood. The F45C operates at 2 speeds for the main saw spindle 4,000 and 6,000 RPM, which offers flexibility, depending on the material and the desired finish. Additionally, the grooving saw spins at a rapid 8,000 Rmin, making it perfect for creating precise grooves and joints. The grooving saw has a diameter of 120 mm, and together with the main saw, it ensures clean and accurate cuts. Number 3. LUXTER M1HCP2 250 Table Saws. The LUXTER M1HCP2 250 table saw is an impressive piece of equipment, particularly suited for serious woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Its powerful 1800W motor and no-load speed of 5,000 RPM ensure that it can handle even the most demanding cutting tasks with ease. Whether you're cutting through hardwood or composite materials, this saw delivers clean, precise cuts every time. One of the standout features of this table saw is its versatility. With a blade size of 255 mm, it offers a substantial 90 mm cutting capacity at a 90 degrees angle, which is perfect for larger, thicker pieces of wood. Additionally, its 65 mm cutting capacity at a 45 degrees angle makes it ideal for beveled cuts, giving you the flexibility to work on a variety of projects. The build quality of the LUXTER M1HCP2 250 is robust, reflecting its C certification for safety and performance. The saw's vertical design ensures stability during operation, minimizing vibrations and providing a smoother cutting experience. It also operates on a standard 220 to 240 V 50-60 Hz electrical supply, making it compatible with most outlets. Number 2. OIMG Table Saws. The OIMG table saw is an impressive tool for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. Manufactured in mainland China, this table saw boasts essential certifications, including C and RoHS, ensuring compliance with international safety and environmental standards. Its horizontal style and robust construction make it ideal for a variety of cutting tasks, from basic to more complex projects. The saw's performance is particularly noteworthy. It handles various types of wood with precision, delivering clean and accurate cuts every time. The table panel design provides ample space for maneuvering large sheets of wood, making it a versatile tool for both small and large-scale woodworking projects. Another highlight is the durability of the OIMG table saw. Built to last, it withstands regular use without compromising on performance. The brand's commitment to quality is evident in every detail, from the smooth operation to the sturdy build. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned woodworker, the OIMG table saw is a reliable choice that combines efficiency, safety, and ease of use. Number 1. CB5DS2 Table Saws. The CBCB5DS2 table saw is a solid choice for woodworking enthusiasts, particularly those looking for a compact and powerful tool. With a size of 36.53029 cm and a weight of 11 kg, it's quite portable, making it easy to move around your workspace or take on-site for projects. The 2300W motor delivers impressive power, and the 4900R min motor speed ensures smooth and efficient cutting, even through tougher materials. The saw operates on a 220V 50Hz power supply, which is standard in many regions, but it's always important to check compatibility with your local power grid. The saw's design is horizontal, offering stability and precision when making cuts. It's built for woodworking, so whether you're cutting panels, trimming, or making intricate cuts, this table saw can handle the job. The overall build quality appears sturdy, with a brand reputation that suggests reliability. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those product. Please subscribe my channel for more update.